Welcome to another quick tip from Shop. Today we're answering a common question. What temperature do you set your soldering station? A common mistake is relying solely on the melting temperature of solder, which is 227 degrees Celsius. At this temperature you can see that the solder isn't melting properly. Even when I increase it by 20 degrees, it will still fail. While this is accurate for the characteristics of the material, soldering at a higher temperature is essential. It ensures efficient heat transfer, especially to components with higher thermal mass. For lead-containing solder, you should set your station between 300 degrees Celsius and 330 degrees Celsius. But for lead-free solder, aim for around 350 degrees Celsius. This allows the solder to flow smoothly without overheating the joint. If the solder isn't hot enough, it can lead to cold joints, weak connections that may fail over time. Setting the temperature to 350 degrees Celsius can help minimize the time spent soldering, which reduces the risk of overheating and damaging components. So remember, for lead-free solder, set your soldering station to 350 degrees Celsius. Stick to the right temperature for great results. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.